same time, supervisor is open to all his employees in a way that is willing to help and assist each one of his employees if they have encountered some problem in their work. Insert the company.
Morning, sir. Good morning. By the way, how is your work? Actually, sir, we're producing more and more product in the market. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, how about you? What's eating you? Is there any problem?
Yes, I'm a beer requirement has not been yet.
Is that so? Okay, I see. Go in, I'll show you how. Yes, sir.
Do you know that other companies' product outlive our product in the market?
So, sir, we must improve our product.
Yes, that's what I'm thinking of. In terms of quality, we must produce great benefits of our product while spending less money.
And materials that we're going to use in improving our product.
So, what are we waiting for? Let's start and have a teamwork.
Teamwork? Yes.